Hi everyone. Am I audible to you? Everyone, am I audible to you? You can turn off your videos. You can turn off your videos. Yes, so that you can hear me properly. All right. Okay. So let's start today's session. Turn off your videos, everyone. Please turn off your videos. All right. So let's begin today's session. And mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let's begin today's session. Okay, so those who have joined today we are going to do data interpretation. Okay, in the last class we did some questions. Remember, we have done some questions on table and some questions on bar graph, right? So today we will again continue with the same thing. Okay, please see the data. Data is in front of you. Can you see the data? Okay, note down it. Please take a screenshot of this or please mute yourself. I just muted all of you. Mute yourself. Okay. Note down this. Everyone, please note down this table. Done noting? Yes. Okay. Let's start solving questions. Everyone noted down? Okay. So let's first of all, let's understand what the data is given. The following table gives the percentage of marks obtained by 7 students in 6 different subjects in an examination. So this is percentage of mark. Do you understand what you mean by percentage of marks? So 90% out of 150. So basically 90% of 150. If I want to solve this, what will I get? 15 into 9, 135. So it means Ayush got 135 marks in maths, 135 out of 150. Did you get it? This is percentage given to you. Okay, this is percentage given to you. Everyone, please note down this data. Take the screenshot of this data. This table which is given to you, you have to take the screenshot of this, and on the basis of this data, we will solve questions. Did you get it now? Okay. Similarly, I say 60% of 100. 60% of 100 is 60. So I can say directly mark is 60. 70% of 60. 70% of 60. So 7 6 are 42. It means this person was getting 42 marks in history. Okay, so Ayush get 42 marks in history out of 60. Did you understand the data? What is the data? This is percentage it is talking about, right? Okay. Similarly, this is 80% of 40. So 80% of 40. So it means 32 marks. Marks is 32, but percentage is 80. Did you get it, everyone? What the data is saying? Right, Shaurya. Okay, so let's start solving questions now. Question number 1. What is the average marks obtained by 7 students in physics rounded off to 2 decimals? Okay, so you have to calculate for physics. So what do you need to do? You need to find marks in physics. So basically you will find 90% of 120, 80% of 120, like this. Okay, so calculate this, then add it and then divide by 7 because they are saying average, right? Okay, do it. Ninety percent of 120 will be how much? Do the calculation. One 108 plus. Second one will be how much? 96 plus 84 plus 96 plus 102 plus 78 plus 50% of 120. So that is 60. And this divided by 7. This divided by 7, right? Answer is yes, absolutely correct. Everyone is giving answer is option B, 89.14. Right, Divan, right, Shurya. Jay Prakash, check your answer. Yeah, no, some Martin, check your answer again. Okay, I'll give you the table. Wait a minute. Okay, everyone, those who have not noted down the table, please note down the table. Note down this table. Did you note down the table? Yes, yes, correct answer. Okay. Done noting? Should we move to the next question? Okay, next question. Note down this table, and on the basis of this table, we have to solve the questions. Okay, see what is the table saying? The number in the brackets give the maximum marks of each subject. So the total mark is 150, 130, 120, 100, 60, and 40. And out of this, percentage is given to you. So it means that, let's say if I say 80% of 120, so 8 12s are 96. It means this person was getting 96 marks, right? Yes or no? Got it? Yes. Let's say if I say 50% of 120. So 50% of 120 means 60, half of it. Correct? So basically, Tarun was getting 60 marks out of 120. Tanvi got 70% of 150. 70% of 150 will be how much? Calculate. 70% of 150. 105. So it means Tanvi got 105 marks, 105 in maths out of 150. Got it now? Now did you understand the table? Read the table. The following table gives the percentage of marks obtained by 7 students in 6 different subjects in an exam. So these are the percentage marks given to you. Okay. Moving to the second question. Everyone, please note down this table. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this table. Question number 2. The number of students who obtained 60% and above marks in all subjects. So we want 60 and above. Okay. So let's go back to the table. Let's go back to the table. 60 and above. So Ayush is getting 50 here. So not Ayush. Aman. Aman is getting 100%, 80%, 80%, 40%. Not this. Aman is not getting 60% and above. Okay. Sajal is getting 90, 60, 70, 70, 90, and 70. So yes, Sajal is one of the person, right, who is getting more than 60%, 60 or more than 60%. Rohit 80, 65, 80, 80, 60, 60. Yes, Rohit is also one person who is getting 60 and above. Muskan is getting less, 50% here. Tanvi is getting less, 40% here. Tarun is getting 35% only. So not Muskan, not Tanvi, not Tarun. Only Sajal and Rohit are the two people who are getting 60% and above. So only how many students? Only 2 students, right? Yes, only 2 students, not 3 students, 2 students. Only 2 students are getting more than 60 or 60%, right? Okay, this was easy question. There's no calculation. You just have to see the table properly. Okay, if you see the table properly, you will get this answer. Okay, next question. What is the aggregate of marks obtained by Sajal in all 6 subjects? So for Sajal, you have to do calculation. So just calculate, just look at the Sajal, this entire thing. So 90% of 150 plus 60% of 130 plus 70% of 120 plus 70% of 100 plus 90% of 60 plus 70% of 40. Okay, and add it. So 90% of 150 plus 60% of 120 plus 70% of 120 plus 70% of 100 plus 90% of 60 plus 70% of 40, and you have to add it and then tell me the total. Answer is, everyone? Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Yes. Correct answer is 449. 135 plus 78 plus 84 plus 70 plus 54 plus 28. When you add it, you will get 449. Option D. Right? Yes. So this was easy. Moving to the next question. Aggregate means average. Total. Aggregate means total. So in this, you just have to do the total of it. Okay. Okay. Question number 7. In which subject the overall percentage is the best? So you have to do calculation. You have to calculate it. So 4 options are given to you. First, find total of maths. First, find total of chemistry. Then find total of physics. Then find total of history. Find total. First, find total of maths. Yes, for all the students. So maths row I will add. So I will add this entire thing. Maths, then chemistry total, then physics total. What options are maths, physics, history total. Okay. What will be the maths total? +90 +100 +90 +80 +80 +70 +65. Divide by 7. This will be your math. Okay. Chemistry total. 50 +80 +60 +65 +75 +35. Divide by 7. What will be physics total? 90 90 plus, wait a minute, my pen is not working. Let me check. Hmm. 90 plus 80 plus 70 plus 80 plus 85 plus 65 plus 50 divided by 7. And history, 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40 plus 80 divided by 7. Okay, so how much is the maths coming out? Maths coming out somewhere 82.14. This is maths. Chemistry is coming out as 61.43. Physics 74.29. And history 67.14. So which one is the best among this? 82, 61, 74 or 67? 82 is the best. So answer is option A, maths. Yes, maths is the best one. Right. Okay, next question. What is the overall percentage of Tarun? Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to the table again and check the Tarun row. Okay, overall percentage of Tarun. So which one? The last one. Overall percentage of Tarun. Okay, we will add this first. So 65% of 150 will be how much? 97.5 plus 35% of 130, 45.5 plus 50% of 120 means half of 120, 60 plus 77. 77% of 100 is 77. 80% of 60 is 48 plus 80% of 40 means 32. So I have to add this first. So how much I will get? 360. 360 is the total marks. Total marks of Tarun, right? 360 is the total marks of Tarun. Now tell me, what is the total marks of the exam? What is the total marks of the exam? Maths paper was 150 mark. Chemistry paper was 130 mark. Physics paper was 120 mark. Geography 100. History 60. And computer science 40. Add it. Total marks of the exam. $600, right? So out of 600 marks, he was getting 360 marks. So 360 marks out of 600 marks. And then we need to find percentage, right? Out of 600 marks, the person is getting 360 marks. Yes, so we have to calculate this. So 0000 cancel. 6 6 are 36, 60%. So answer is option C. Did you get it, everyone? Yes. Okay. Let's do next chart. Okay, next data. Okay, everyone carefully note down the data. First of all, noting down the data properly is important. So first note down the data, then we will understand what kind of data is given, what is given to you in the data, and then we will solve questions. So first note it down, take a screenshot or note down the data, everyone, first of all. Okay, done noting. Okay, let's understand the table now. Okay, let's understand the table. Study the following table, answer the question based on it. Number of candidates appeared. So how many people are writing the exam? How many people are qualifying the exam? And how many people are selected in the competitive exam from 5 states? So there are 5 different states in given to you: Delhi, HP, UP, Punjab, and Haryana. So Delhi, HP, UP, Punjab, and Haryana. Appeared student, qualified student, and selected student. So number of people writing the exam is given to you, number of people qualifying the exam is given to you, and number of people, students getting selected in the exam is given to you for 5 different state, and years are also given to you. For which year? 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, and 2001. Is the data clear to everyone? Okay. So let's say in Delhi, in 1997, 8,000 people write the exam. Out of 8,000, 850 is qualifying the exam, and how many selected? 94 is selected. Got it? Similarly, in Punjab, in 1998, how many people are writing the exam, 6,800 people writing the exam, 600 getting qualified and 70 are getting selected. Got it? Okay. Now on the basis of this data, we will solve questions. So question number 1. So for which state the average number of candidates selected over the years is maximum? So it means for Delhi, you have to add all the selected. For HP, you have to you have to add all the selected. UP, you have to add all the selected and so on. So for Delhi, what I will do? 94 plus 48 plus 82 plus 90 plus 70 divided by 5, because 5 years are given to you and they're asking average number of candidates selected over the year. So you have to do average for Delhi. Okay, for HP, 82 plus 65 plus 70 plus 86 plus 75 divided by 5. For UP, 78 plus 85 plus 40 plus 48, sorry, yes. 78 plus 85 plus 48 plus 70 plus 80 divided by 5. For Punjab, 85 plus 70 plus 65 plus 84 plus 60 divided by 5. You have to calculate it and then check which one is the maximum. Okay, now look into this table. This is given for Delhi, this is given for HP, this is given for UP, Punjab and Haryana. This is appeared student. Now appeared means how many people write the exam. Qualifying means how many people clear the exam. And selected means how many people are actually getting selected. So for Delhi, we will add this. For Himachal, HP, we will add this. For UP, we will add this. For Punjab, we will add this. For Haryana, we will add this. And then divide by 5, because number of years are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are given to you. Right? So Delhi is coming out how much total? 76.8. This is coming out 75.6. This is coming out 72.2. And this is coming out as 72.8. So which one is the maximum? Delhi is the maximum. So answer is option A. Got it? Yes. Option A, Delhi. Yes. Okay. Moving to the second question. The percentage of candidate qualified from Punjab over those who are appeared from Punjab is highest in which year? So for this years, we have to do calculation for the Punjab. Okay. So for 1997, I will do it. You do the rest of it. So for 1997, for first option, I'm doing it. So how many selected? Sorry, how many qualified? How many qualified? 860. Out of how many appeared? 8,200 into 100. So this I've done calculation for 1997. Similarly, you do for 1998, for 1999, and for 2000. Do the same calculation. For 1998, how many qualified out of this? For Punjab, okay. For 1999, 525 out of 6,500 into 100. For 2000, 720 upon 7,800 into 100. Do the calculation and check which one is the highest. That's it. Do the calculation and check which one is the highest. So this 0000 cancelled. So 680 by 82. 680 by 82. Do the calculation. 8.29%. This is 8.82%. This is coming out 8.08%. And this one is coming out 9.23%. So which one is the highest coming out? Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. For 2000, it is coming out highest. Right? Okay. Everyone done this question? Very easy question. You just have to do qualified upon appear. Qualified upon appear for the years. Got it, everyone? Okay, moving to the next question. In year 1997, which state had the lowest percentage of candidate selected over the candidate appeared? Only for which year they are talking about? 1997. So for 1997, we will calculate for Delhi, for HP, for UP, and for Punjab. Okay. So in 1997, how many people selected upon appeared? So 1997 selected is 94 and appeared is 8,000 into 100. For HP, how many selected? 82 selected out of 7,800. For UP, how many selected? 78 upon 7,500 into 100. And for Punjab, 85 is selected out of 8,200 into 100. You have to calculate this and read the question carefully. Lowest percentage. So which one is the lowest in this? Which one is the lowest in this? So 0000 cancelled. So 94 upon 80, 82 upon 78, 78 upon 75, 85 upon 82. Do the calculation. Calculate it. Do the calculation, everyone. So if I calculate it, 94 upon 80, na? 94 upon 80, it will be approximately 1.175, right? HP, this one 80 upon 78, 1.05. UP, 1.04. Punjab, 1.03, right? So which one is the lowest? Which one is the lowest? Yes, absolutely correct. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Answer is option D. Yes. Yes, Shoria. Yes. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Right, right, right. Yes. Yes, Punjab is the lowest. Yes, correct. Okay, next question. Okay, let's read the question first carefully, then we will solve it. The percentage of candidates selected from UP over those qualified from UP is highest in which year? So for UP, we have to do calculation. What we have to do? Selected upon qualified. Selected upon qualified we need to do. For which year? For 1997, for 1998, for 1999, for 2001. So for 1997, how many selected? 78 upon qualified 720 into 100. 1998, 85 out of 620 into 100. 1999, 48 upon 400, na? Correct, 400 into 100. For 2001, 80 upon 950. This 2001 given to you, right? 80 upon 950 into 100. Into 100. You need to do this calculations. Once the calculation is done, you need to find which one? Highest. Okay. So this 0 and this 0 cancelled, 0000 cancelled, this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So 870 upon 72, 850 upon 62, 48 upon 4 and 800 upon 95. Calculate it and then tell me which one is the highest. Calculate this and tell me which one is the highest. You have to do the calculation. There's no shortcut to it, na? You have to do the calculation. So this is, I know, 12%. Then which one? First one is coming out 10.83%. Second one is coming out 13.71%. This 2008.42%. Correct? Which one is the highest? Yes, 1998, 13.70. Yes, correct answer is option B. Got it? Everyone? Yes, yes. All of you are giving me the correct answer. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, let's do next question. Yes, all these lectures will be uploaded on YouTube. It is already live on it. So you can go and check on YouTube. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, everyone, please note the table first. First, note down the table. Then we will try to understand. Okay, Shorya, I think I'll check it. Okay. First, note down the table, everyone. Please note down the table. Then we will understand how to solve it. The bar graph given below shows the data of production of paper. Okay, so let's say this three company X, Y, Z, X, Y, and Z, they produce paper. Correct? What do they produce? Production of paper in lakh ton. Okay, so all these numbers will be in lakh tons. Okay, and this is their production. For which year it is given to you? 1996, 97, 98, 99, and 2000. Blue one is X, red one is Y, and green one is Z. So what can I say? That in 1996, X is producing how much? 30 lakh ton. I will read it from here. 30 lakh ton paper. Correct? In 1996, X produced 30 lakh ton paper, right? Okay. Y is producing how much? Red one is Y. Y is producing how much? 25, right? So in between it is 25. And Z is producing how much? In between this is 35. So 30, 25, 35. Got it? Similarly, 1997, 45, 35, and 40. This one, 25, 35, and 45. This is 50. This is how much? 40. And this is 35. this is 40, this is 50, and this is 35. Is it clear to everyone the data? Data is clear to everyone how to read bar graph? Everyone, please pay attention to the class. All your doubts will be resolved after the class. Okay, whatever doubt you have regarding the exam or everything, it will be done at the end of the class. First, note down the data. Is the data clear to everyone? What do you understand? That these are not 30, 25, 35. This is 30 lakh ton. Correct? 25 lakh ton. 35 lakh ton. So remember it because it is given to you in the bracket. These numbers are in lakh ton. Correct? For different years it is given to you. Right? Now see one very interesting thing, that the same data can be given to you in form of table also. This table is given to you in form of bar. This is called bar graph. Okay, the same data I can give you in terms of table. Let's see how I can make this same graph in table. So what I will do 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, and 2000. I will say company X, company Y, company Z. In lakh ton. So 1996, this is 30, this is 45, this is 25, this is 50, and this is 40. Okay, Y, what are the values of Y? 25, 35, again 35, 40, and 50. This is given to you 35, 40, 45, 35, and again 35. Correct? The same data, this is the same data, exactly the same thing. Instead of bar graph, I am writing it in table. So the questionnaire can give in to you in any form. They can give you in bar graph also, they can give you it in table also. So you should be able to read it properly. Correct? Is it clear to everyone? We'll come to pie chart also, sure, yeah. So today we will do bar graph and tables. In the next class, we will do pie chart also. Okay. So is it clear to everyone that the same data can be given to you from bar graph to table also? So they can give you same question in table also and same question in bar graph also. Yes. Okay. So now let's start solving question. Question number 1. Read the question carefully, then decide what you want to do with the data, and then we will solve it. For which of the following year the percentage rise and fall in the production from the previous year is the maximum for company Y? So for company Y, we will check these year with the previous year. So I will check 1997. So how will I check 1997? 1997 with the previous year. So 1997 it is 35. Previous year it is 25. So 35 minus 25 upon 25 into 100. This is how you calculate percentage increase or decrease. So how do you calculate percentage increase or decrease? 35 This year's 1997 is 35 for company Y. Company Y 1997 is 35. With the previous year, we will compare. Previous year comparison. So 35 minus 25 upon 25 into 100. For 1998, 35 minus 35 upon 35 into 100. Why I have done this? See this. For 1998, how much was that? 35. I will check with the previous year. Previous year is how much? 35. So comparing with 35. 35 minus 35 upon 35 into 100. Okay, 1999, 40. Previous year 35. So 40 minus 35 upon 35 into 100. For 2000, what is the value? 50. 50 compared with the previous year 40. So 50 minus 40 upon 40 into 100. Is it clear to everyone? How do you calculate comparison? Percentage increase or decrease, rise or fall with the previous year? And now they are asking you which is the maximum. So you have to calculate these and check which is the maximum. So this one is 0 clearly, because 35 minus 35 is 0, so 0. You have to do calculation for the rest. Do the calculation for rest. 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25 is 10. 10 upon 25 into 100. This one is 5 upon 35 into 100. This one is 10 upon 40 into 100. Do the calculation. First one is coming out as 40% if I calculate this. Second one is 0. Third one is 1 by 7. That is 100 by 7. 100 by 7 is 14.28%. And then this one, 25%. So which one is the highest? This is 0%. Which one is the highest? 1997 is the highest one. Option A. Did everyone get it? How we have done this question? Comparing with the previous year, right? You just have to take that number and compare it with the previous year number. Okay, moving to the next one. Okay, I'll share that. This screen, those who have not noted down, please take the screenshot of this screen. And if you want, you can note down the table also of it. So just take the screenshot of this. And the same data I have written in form of table. So you can note down this also, table also, if you want to. Because in table, it becomes easy to see, right? If bar graph is given to you and if it is looking slightly complicated, convert it into table, best way. But you will not have this much time in exam. So be careful about it. You will not have this much time that in exam you will first see bar graph and then convert it into table. So make a practice of directly solving from bar graph. Just a minute. Okay, next question. Yes, you can have all the kind of questions. Shoria, that will be done at the end of the class. Today, at the end of the class, one trainer will come and they will resolve all your doubts. Guys, please, you have time. It is another 20 minutes you have time. Please make a note of all your questions. Whatever questions you have in your mind, please write it down and then ask the trainer. The trainer will come and that trainer will resolve all your doubts. Okay? So make a list of all the questions you have. Arva and Pranita, I'm giving it to you. Shoria, you too. Please make a list of all the questions you have regarding the exam, regarding the use of calculator and everything. So ask all those questions to that trainer. That trainer will solve all your doubts. Okay? Yes, yes. Please, everyone, please make a list of questions, whatever doubt you have. And then the trainer will join in another 20 minutes, I guess. Yes. So that trainer will come and that person will resolve all your doubts. Please, everyone, whatever doubts you have, get it clear today. Okay, let's do this question. Okay, what is the ratio of average production of company X in 1998 to 2000? Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add company X for 1998 to 2000. 1998 to 2000. So add this much, 25 plus 50 plus 40, add this much. So 100 and kitna milega? The total will be 115, right? 100 and for company X, 25 plus 50, wait a minute, 25 plus 50 plus 40. So this is 115. Okay. And same for company Y also. Same period. It means we have to add company Y also. So 35 plus 40 plus 50. So this is 135. Okay. And we need to calculate ratio of this. 115 is to 125. Average production. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Sorry. Yes, divide by 3, divide by 3. You need to find ratio. Anyway, this 3 will get cancelled. So 115 is to 125. Okay, divide by 5. 5 how many times? 5 2s are 10, 1 5, 5 3s are 23. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So answer is 23 is to 25. Yes, very simple question, very easy question. From this bar graph, guys, you do not pay attention in the class, and then in the second question you are asking me that where is this data coming from. I told you this data. Okay, in fact, I explained you that how you can write the bar graph into table also. So these numbers are coming from this table. Have you noted it down? Division part. Okay, I will show you the division part. So basically they are saying average of this. So this is for X, this is for Y. So 115 upon 3 is to 125 upon 3. Ratio of this. So 3 cancelled out. Now both numbers are divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. So when you divide this by 5 and this by 5, you will get 23 is to 25. Correct answer is option C. Okay, one more question. This one is easy. I think you can easily do this question. I will not even tell you how to do it. You can do it yourself. Very easy question. Very easy question. The average production for 5 years was maximum for which company? So you have to do company X total, company Y total, company Z total. That's it. Do this total. So how much is company X total coming out? 30 plus 45 plus 25 plus 50 plus 40. 190. Company Y total 185. Company Z total 190. So which one is coming maximum? Which one is coming? 190, 185, 190. So two are same. So what is the answer? Yes, both X and Z, because that is coming out 190 and 190, and this is 185. So which one is the maximum? X and Z both are maximum. Right? Yes, very easy question. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, read the question carefully, then we will solve it. Read the question carefully. In which year the percentage of production of company Z to the production of company Y is maximum? It means what we need to compare? Z and Y we need to compare. For which year? 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. Okay. Now tell me company Z over company Y. Company Z is how much? 35 over company Y, 25 into 100. For 1997, 40 upon 35 into 100. For 1998, 45 upon 35 into 100. Into 100. For 1999, 35 upon 40 into 100. So you have to compare X, Z with Y. Z upon Y for each year. Yes, I will give you. I will give you all the questions. Don't worry about the practice session. I will give you link where you can practice all these questions. Okay, do the calculation. 35 upon 25 into 100, that is 140. 40 upon 35 into 100, 104.29. 45 upon 35, 128.57. And 1999, 87.5%. So which one is the maximum? Which one is the maximum? Sachin, what do you need? DPP. What is DPP? Daily practice paper. Or what? Yes. Option A. Right. Correct answer is option A. Very good. Okay, one last question. One last question. Okay, this is an interesting question. What is the percent increase in the production of Y from 1996 to 1999? Okay, so let's look at the table. From 1996 to 1999, what is Y's increase? Okay, we need to find what is Y's increase from 1996 to 1999. Okay, let's go back to the table. 1996, from here to where? 1999. So from 25 to 40, what is the increase? 25 to 40, what is the increase? Got it? 1996 to 1999, company Y. So from 25 to 40. So how do you calculate increase? I told you, new minus the previous upon previous into 100. This is how we do comparison, because this was how much? 25, this was how much? 40. So from 25 to 40, how much is the increase? How much is the increase? So 40 minus 25 upon 25 into 100. Yes, Kritika. Yes, Jay. Correct answer. Yes, William. Yes, Abdu. Yes, Martin. Yes, all of you are giving me the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, because I will get 15 upon 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are 15 fours are 60. 60% is the answer. If it is decrease, they will ask you in the question that how much is the percentage decrease. Let's say in this case, instead of increase, they will say decrease. And let's say I will change the number. Let me change the number. Let's say it is given to you 50 here. And this is 40. So from 50 to 40, it is happening. Okay. It was 50 here. It was 40 here. Let's say 1996 was 50. 1999 was 40. So how to do this question? If it is instead of increase, they will say decrease. So from 52, it is becoming 40. So 50 minus 40 upon 40 into 100 is still, you will do the subtraction here because you have to find the decrease. Okay. Or you have to, you basically, you are doing comparison. So when you are doing comparison, you have to subtract irrespective whether it is increase or decrease. Okay, so that's how you will calculate if they are asking you decrease. Got it? Yes. If they say decrease, formula, I will give you the formula. Formula of percentage increase or decrease. In both the cases, same formula will work. Final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. So finally, what is the value happening? And previous what value was there? This is the formula. Final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. So it doesn't matter whether it is increase or decrease. In both the cases, this is how you will solve it. So whether they ask you increase or decrease, the same formula will be applied. Okay. Now, please, everyone, make a list of questions you want to ask. Please make a list of questions. So first question is whether calculator is allowed or not. Okay. Tell me what is your next question. Question number 2. What questions you have to ask? When is the result coming? Okay. When is the exam? Third, when will be the result out? Result declared. Okay. Next question. Fourth question. Okay. There will be mock test. Mock test, I'm telling you. Main exam. When is the exam? Okay. Admission process. You need to know about the admission process. Okay. Admission process. Then what else? Yes, mock test is necessary. Wait a minute. Let me explain you about the mock test. Okay. So now we have started the preparation, right? You're getting it? We have started the preparation. We are slowly doing one topic, one time. Today we did data interpretation, right? Tomorrow, maybe in the next class, we will do time, speed, distance, or like this. Okay. So when you start the preparation, after some time you will gain the confidence that at least I will do 50% of the paper, or at least I will do 60% of the paper. At that time you should start writing the mock test. Why you should write the mock test? To gauge that how much you know, how much you have learned. So for your own practice you should write the mock test. What topics will be asked? Okay, topics I will tell you. There will be quantitative aptitude. In quantitative aptitude, your maths, data interpretation, the kind of questions we did today, everything covered. Quantitative aptitude. Second topic is reasoning. So in reasoning, basic puzzle or direction questions or blood relation questions, this type of questions will come in reasoning. And the third is verbal ability. Okay. Third one is verbal ability. So these are the three main topics. I don't know about the passport thing. Passport thing you have to ask. Passing marks. Okay, passing marks. Okay, let's. Exam date I've noted. When is the exam? Exam date. So this question you're going to ask. Okay. Okay. Now passing marks. Okay, passing marks. Sixth question. Writing material required. I think the test will be online. I think, yes, test will be online test. So they will give you everything to solve. Yes, exam is online. Yes, if you are taking different courses to get full scholarship, you have to write this exam, right? Exam date, we don't know. No, you cannot pass the exam only by English. You have to do maths also. So see, this 3 sections will be there, na? So you have to know all the sections. But I'll tell you, those, wait a minute, listen to me. Those who find maths difficult, okay? Those who find maths difficult, please focus on maths because it's a easy maths. It's not a difficult maths. Like today, the kind of question we did, it is all easy. Also, if you find maths difficult, you can focus on reasoning because reasoning is very, very easy. It's all basic puzzles and logical questions. Arva, that you need to ask the trainer. The trainer will join in and that trainer will be able to tell you that how the test will be conducted, whether it's in a Google form or some platform. Mock test results. Once you finish the mock test on the Step Up Learning website, you will get the result there itself. You will get to know that how many questions you have done correct, how many questions you have done wrong. Okay. I'll suggest you one thing. Do not worry about mock test for now. Do not worry about mock test because you just now started the preparation, right? No, mock test marks will not be considered in the main exam. Mock test is only for your self preparation. It will not be added. Yes, you can do it later. If you miss any mock exam, you can do it later on also. This is not a problem. But what I will suggest you, do not start writing the mock test right away. Immediately do not start with. To the new students, to all the old students, Arva, Pranita, Zishan, all the old students, please start writing mocks because we have finished 50% of our syllabus. Okay, so you should start writing the exam. To all the new students, do not directly go to the mock test because otherwise you will get demotivated. So first go through some syllabus, some let some classes be done, and after that start writing mock test. What is the time for the mock test? That I don't know. Passport thing also I don't know. You need to ask the trainer. Passing marks, I've noted the question. You can ask the trainer. I am answering only those questions which I know the answer to. So the trainer will join in some time and you will ask all the questions to that trainer. Okay, wait a minute. So when can we start writing the mock test for new student? Musamba, I am suggesting after a few classes. Okay, so let's say you are done with 4 or 5 classes in math section. You have done 3 or 4 classes in reasoning classes, and then you have done 3 or 4 classes of verbal. After that, you start writing the mock test, because without knowing the basis, how will you write mock test? You will write mock test and you will get all the questions wrong and then you get demotivated. So first do some preparation and then start writing the mock. For mock test, wait, I'll tell you. Passing marks question I noted. Passport question you ask to the trainer. Okay, that I have no clue about. Okay, wait a minute. Let me find out that how much time that trainer will be here and how much time. Everyone, please make a list of your questions, okay? And guys, please ask for email ID. Ask for the trainer's email ID so that you can mail them. You can mail them your questions. Sachin, I have to do a research for this. Okay, so give me some time. I will do research for that, like which institutes are best, and then I will get back to you on this. Okay. Yes, coding and decoding. Pranita, the problem is that, see, now a lot of syllabus is done for you, right? For the old student, like we have done coding, decoding, we have done direction sense, we have done blood relation. Remember, we have done blood relation also. But since new students have joined, so we are going to do a revision of those topic also. So it is good for you also that all the previous topics are getting done again. Okay, everyone, those who have not joined the group, Arva has created one group. Please contact to Arva. She will be able to add you in that group. Yes, clock and calendars is also included. I will do that topic for you, clocks and calendars. For mock test, okay, when does the semester start? I have no clue. You have to ask the trainer who is joining in. That person will be able to tell you when is the. I've noted down that question. I've noted down that question already, that whether the calculator is allowed or not. You will ask these questions. Okay, these questions you are going to ask to the trainer. My classes will be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. This Tuesday I couldn't come because I wasn't well. So my classes will be on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday mostly. But there can be a change in schedule also. Okay, so there's a possibility that Tuesday someone else will come and I will come on Wednesday. So it is not necessary, but for now, mostly I will take your classes on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays. Yeshi, don't worry about it. Listen to me. Even if when the calculator is not allowed, uh, all the calculations are very basic. You know, with upcoming classes, you will be able to solve these questions without calculator. So I will show you an example. Let's say you need to find 25% of 464. Now this looks difficult. This looks difficult. Okay. But if you know that 25% is 1 by 4, this 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 464 you can calculate easily. Now 4 ones are 4. Again 4 ones are 4. 2 carry over 4. 4 6 are. So 116. So even if the calculator is not allowed, you can easily solve this basic calculation. That you need to ask, Shoria, you need to ask to the person. So one counselor from admission counselor from Jain University, she will join in today and she will tell you about all these questions. Okay, Arva has given link, I think. So please join in, everyone, please join in with Arva. Yes, exactly, Sachin. It's all about time management, basically. All the questions, you understand this thing, that all the questions will be very, very easy. The only problem is time management. You should be able to solve the question faster. No, Shorya, wait for the. I will suggest you start with like depending on your, like, do not decide it right now. After a few classes, then you can decide that which topic you are comfortable with. Like for example, I like maths and I like reasoning. So what I do, I quickly solve reasoning question and then I jump to maths, and then at the end of the exam I do verbal. This is my technique. Now everyone can have different technique, right? But reasoning is one topic which is very, very scoring, because in reasoning you know the answer or you don't know the answer. You will not waste time on it. Like for example, coding, the coding question, if you know the what is the coding pattern, you can do it. If you are not able to crack the coding pattern, you will not be able to do it, so you do not waste time on it, you move to the next question, right? So reasoning is very scoring. Yes, I'm waiting for that trainer. Yes. So that doubt clearing trainer, I'm waiting for that person. That person has told me that they will join the class at the end. So we are almost like 15 minutes left for the class. So I'm waiting for that person. That person will join in and will solve all your doubt. Arwa, did you added all these people? Have you done adding all these people? Add all these people to the group. Wait, I'll figure out. Wait a minute. Give me some time. I will call that person and try to find out. Zishan, give me some time. I'm trying to get in touch with that trainer. Wait for a while. Monendra, you will get all these sessions which I'm taking for you. You will get it on YouTube. Okay. Yes, I will give you homework also. Wait a minute. Okay, everyone check the chat box. Check the chat box. I have just given you the link for all this data interpretation questions. So whatever questions we did today and in the previous class also, tables, bar graphs and everything. Okay, all right. So wait a minute, let me see. Just a minute, let me check where I can unmute her. I'm not able to see her name. Yes.
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Deepika from Jain Deemed to be University International Admissions. And I got to know that all the students have some questions for me. So I'm here to answer all your questions. You can either raise the hands or put it in the chat, and I'll try my best to answer them. Yes. Ma'am, can anybody help me to read out the questions or let me know what the questions are?
Yeah, so I think one first question is, hi Deepika, Ashish here. So first question is that when is the exam? So people are asking, do we know the exam date? When is it?
No, even I do not know about this. So we are waiting. The way Study in India announced few days back that SII Scholarship is back. The same way they're going to announce about the exam. As of now, they are doing is the application collection. The applications are getting segregated, database is being maintained, and a plan is being made. So dates are not yet finalized. Study in India will announce this. So we consider that this July month, the entire June month will be about submitting your applications. So for the dates of the exam, I request all the students here to follow Study in India and Jain University on the social media website. The links have been shared already through emails. Whoever are attending these classes, follow us as soon as, even if Study in India make any announcement, even we will make the same announcement on social media pages.
Great. Thank you. I think that helps. And I think one more question is that would you know what percentage of marks should one score to, let's say, get a scholarship, etc.? Approximately.
See, okay. So see, so PRAGATII exam is, I don't know what it will be for this year, but last 3 years it was a multiple choice paper, and that is what I think you're also training in the class, right?
Correct.
And it will be a 90 minutes paper, objective type questions, and it will be in medium. The medium will be English only, no other language.
Correct.
And it is not about, obviously you cannot score 50, 60, 70 and all. The students who perform very well will be set under first cycle of scholarship. And if first cycles are fulfilled and still some seats are left, then there'll be a second round of upgradation.
Okay.
So
okay.
I cannot tell you the percentage.
So the percentage, so there's no fixed percentage as such. It depends on who are the top students. So if the exam is easy, it could go high. Otherwise, it could go low. But I think at least 50% is what they should aim to get in the exam. Is that correct? Would that be fair to say 40-50% at least?
No, more than that.
More than that. Okay. Okay. So it could be 70% also. All right.
No negative marking. And I'm sure it will be very easy. Plus, everybody is attending the classes regularly.
Yeah.
So it should be easy. Yeah.
And there's one question what is the scholarship at JN University? Do they offer full scholarship? How does that work?
See, right now the PRAGATII exam for what you guys, the students are getting prepared is for Study in India Scholarship. So Study in India Scholarship is a scholarship given by Government of India. And when a student gets Study in India Scholarship, in short SII Scholarship, and they've chosen JN deemed to be university as your choice of institution, and when you get you get your admission here, you get yourself registered here, or you get yourself enrolled in JN University, then you don't have to pay the application fees that is sponsored by the government, the registration fees, the tuition fees, the hostel fees, and your food is also being sponsored by the Government of India. So when I say SII scholarship, it is 100% scholarship in your application fees, your registration fees, your tuition fees, your accommodation fees. Only thing the student has to bear is your flight charges are borne by the student, your visa expenses, your personal expenses are borne by the student. Your stationery, your laptop, everything is borne by the student. And the university or the Government of India do not provide this.
Great. And one question is like, if let's say somebody gets into the undergraduate program.
Just to add on, student has to pay 300 USD. This was last year's update, and hoping the same this year too. The student, because these are all for international students, they have to pay 300 USD as a health insurance, which will cover them for the entire course.
Got it. And what's the schedule like? When do the semester begin if somebody wants to join the undergraduate program at JN University? Which month?
By July end or August first week, we are planning to start the semester, and these are the tentative days. There might be some changes, and we will update accordingly. All the selected students will be updated time to time. They'll get all the timely updates. When to arrive, how to apply for visa. Once you're a registered student, you will get all the updates.
Okay. And if somebody, let's say, does not clear the exam, I don't know if it's answered. Let's say if we don't clear the exam, would there still be a possibility of admission?
Yes, they can. So if a student do not get SII scholarship, it is not possible that everybody get. Like there'll be more than 50,000 applications on Study in India database, but the scholarship is only for 2,000 plus students. What about the 48,000 students? They will not stop their education, right? So for them, if they are interested to join JN University, we are offering a 50 to 70% scholarship from JN University, and they can apply for that. I can share those details also, but I think that you can come back to me once the SII results are out. Or if you're very sure that you won't get SII, you can come back to me. Even if you enroll under JU Chancellor Scholarship and later you get SII's scholarship, we will refund your application and the registration fees that you have paid. So if you want any details on JU Chancellor Scholarship, I will share to you. 70% scholarship do not require any exam. It is given to all international students. Only thing, they have to be eligible for the course.
Okay.
Students who do not have their passport, they cannot travel across borders. You should have a passport. It is a basic thing that you should have a passport. These are some of the comments that I see on my screen. These are the comments that I see on my screen, so I'm answering that, yes.
Yeah. And guys, there is no percentage set that it is like 40%, 50%, 70%. So what happens is, depending on how much everybody is scoring, it's the top, I think 1,500 to 2,000 people who are only eligible for scholarship from the government, right? So that's how it works. And they are asking that if there are, what are the different courses, and somebody is asking if something is into film production or something like that. There was a question, right? If that kind of a course is available at Jain University.
Can I share the list of courses that I have, or you want me to go through the list of courses now, or can I share it in a PDF form?
I think maybe you can share it. That will be great. Yeah. And I think, folks,
we are on WhatsApp. We are in touch, right? So I'll share you right away. Are we on touch?
Just check. I'm not sure. Yeah.
I'm checking. Ashish, your number ending with 453?
That's correct.
Yeah, so I'm sending you the list of courses that Jain University offer under Study in India Scholarship and also under JU Chancellor Scholarship. You can share it in the group here because I do not think I have access here.
I think you should have access. You can share that link. Yeah.
Okay, but I have already sent you on WhatsApp.
That's fine.
You can put it in the group. Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the list of courses we have. The same under SII Study in India and JU Chancellor Scholarship.
Okay.
In the PDF, you can also see the fee structure of JU Chancellor Scholarship. This is after the 50% to 70% deduction of the fees. Like, for example, if a foreign national or an NRI student pays 100 USD for application, under JU Chancellor Scholarship, it is 50 USD application fees.
Okay.
Like that. So that is the final fees and the best fees Jain University offers to students who will not get SII.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
No, we do not have, according to UGC, university is ruled by the UGC. We do not have any online classes. We do not have any online exams unless any other COVID wave comes across. We do not have anything online. Everything will be offline in campus.
Is there a 70% scholarship fee structure? Somebody's asking.
Yeah, the 70% scholarship fee structure is in the PDF. The last, the end of the PDF. Please share it on the group. Have you already shared?
I'll just do that. I'll do that. Yeah.
Yes. So please share it on the group, and I want everybody to save this PDF. You can refer to this PDF to check the choices of course. And in case you do not get SII, you can come back to me for JU Chancellor Scholarship, and the details, the fee structure, the hostel, everything is mentioned in this PDF.
Okay.
I think I know most of the students here, like Ojja, Arva Devi.
Some people are common, I think, but a lot of people are, new. Yeah. I think, guys, I'd shared also a link for attendance, right? I would request everybody to put in your, details there, just so that, we capture your interest. And I want to know more about verbal ability. I think don't worry about it. There's a lot of material on our YouTube channel. There was a class also done, and ma'am also taught you just yesterday, right, on the verbal section. So there will be regularly classes on verbal on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And somebody's asking, how long is the scholarship? Is it for 3 years only or 4 years? How is it?
See, yeah, this is a very good question. As of now, it is only for 3 years, according to the announcement made by the Government of India. So we are not yet decided what will happen to the courses which are 4 years, like the BTech engineering courses and all. So we have not yet decided. So as of now, what I could see is the 4th year the student will pay. And we have not come up with any alternative plan as of now. Either we do not know if government will change this or not. So as of now, it is the 4th year the student will pay. As of now, this is the update. If there are any changes, we will let you know.
Okay, any other questions to ma'am for your scholarship or anything? Do you have a law program, ma'am? JNU University offer a law program?
No, we do not have law. So JNU University do not offer medicine, pharmacy, MBBS, dental, law. We do not have these courses. We do not have veterinary. Yes, but we have many other allied health courses. For law, I think we have one public policy course that if the student is interested can join. We do not have law.
And computer applications, do you have like a BCA?
Yes, we are best in
okay.
that.
Yeah, okay, great. So computer science, engineering plus BCA, all that you have,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
We do not have physiotherapy.
Okay.
How much the flight cost? We have aerospace, aeronautical, civil engineering, mechanical engineering. We have lots of business courses. Everything is clear in the PDF. Once you open the PDF, I guess the doubts on your courses will be clear. So, Mr. Ashish, any more questions for me?
Any other questions, guys, for ma'am? This is your chance, and of course she can come again. She's kind enough to, I think, come again one more time if you have more questions closer to the date. And what about the registration process, ma'am? Do they have to register on the Study in India website as of now, or how is it?
That is the basic thing that they have to do. All the students have to register. Correct. And fill the form and submit your application. Only your application who have applied will have the right to give the exam. So it is, I will also share you the link. I am sure everybody is already aware of, but still, Ashish, I'm sharing you the YouTube link and a detailed message where you can share it in the group on how to register and apply. We made a very small video to make you understand, to help all the students fill the form very easily. So it is very important that you submit your application successfully, and it is very important that you choose Jain deemed to be university, because this PRAGATII crash course and the courses that we are offering is in Jain University. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I'm sharing you. It's a very detailed message, but it covers all the information. Yeah.
Guys, any other question? For some reason, I'm not able to share the attachment with them.
Okay.
But I will share at least this year. Yeah.
You can share my number and they can leave a message and I'll reply them.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. I think that will be helpful. Yeah.
Yes. So you can share my number. I have no issues. Maybe there are chances that I reply a little late because of too many messages, but for sure I will reply within 24 hours.
Excellent.
So this is my number. You can forward. Please add it in the group. No, I am logged in through my phone.
Yes.
Please add this number. Save this number. I am Deepika from Jain Deemed to be University, and I handle international admissions scholarships. Okay.
People are saying, please join them on WhatsApp group. I don't think we've created any WhatsApp group because, but I think students create on their own.
Yes, we do not.
But yeah, we don't have any WhatsApp group. Yeah.
Yes. Maybe once they register in a particular course wise, we can have a group, but as of now, there are no such groups.
Yeah.
So
I've shared your number. Yeah.
Yes,
so please
my
do
number,
that, guys.
the country code is +91. Then it is 89519 22745.
Correct. Great. I think this was very helpful. And I think because we had like a lot of new students as well, this was needed. And a lot of them were asking a lot of questions. People asking, is there calculator available on the exam? Like when you take the exam, do they have a computer calculator?
It is online exam. Yes, you can use the calculator.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes. So lots of love coming your way from Bhutan and different places. So yes, thank you everybody. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, all the aspiring students. Do your best. I hope you get into Jain University and you make a great career out of it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. And reach out to ma'am, guys, if you have any more questions. But really, thank you. And thank you, Sonam ma'am, for allowing us to take these 10-15 minutes from your class. Thank you.